Okay. Namaste. Welcome to AmeyaOnline. In this video, we will be seeing handloom muslin silk sarees, all at the price range of 4299. People who would like to block these sarees, please take a screenshot and send it to the above number. Muslin silk fabric is a blend of 60% of viscose material and 40% of pure cotton. These sarees are very lightweight, very easy to maintain, and it drapes very well. They're a little bit transparent. When you pleat the saree looks very good. Let's quickly get into the sarees. This is saree number 1. Saree number 1, it's a light chiku color saree. It's a combination of chiku color and red color. The top portion of the saree is light chiku color with copper gold jari buttas running throughout the body of the saree. Coming to the bottom half of the saree, it's in red color. Red piping borders on both sides of the saree. Beautiful jamdani pallu with golden jari buttas running throughout the pallu, with a contrast red color blouse. The saree is priced at 4299. People who would like to buy the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to the above number. Saree number 2, a traditional color combination of blue and pink. As you can see, nice silver jari buttas. Let's look into the saree. It's a very beautiful saree. You can see silver jari buttas running throughout the body of the saree. Pink borders on either sides with silver jari. This is how the saree looks. Moving on to the pallu, jamdani pallu, with a contrast pink color blouse. This is the blouse. Saree number 2, priced at 4299. People who would like to buy the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to the above number. Saree number 3, it's a peach and pink color combination saree. As you can see, silver jari woven buttas running throughout the body. You can see buttas and the silver jari border on a pink base. Let's see the overall look of the saree. These sarees are a little transparent. They look nice when you pleat them. As you can see, the silver jari woven buttas running throughout the body of the saree with pink borders on both sides of the saree, with a thin blue piping borders on both sides of the saree. In the pallu, you can see jamdani pallu. Silver jari jamdani pallu with a brighter version peach color blouse. saree, muslin saree, priced at 4299. People who would like to buy the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to the above number. Saree number 4. Saree number 4, it is a white and red color combination saree. You can see woven golden jari buttas, dull gold jari buttas throughout the body and even in the bottom of also you can see the buttas. Let's see the overall look of the saree. The pure white and red combination saree. Red stripes on one side of the saree. The small red piping borders on both sides. Woven gold jari buttas in pallu, jamdani pallu, with a bright red color contrast blouse. This is the last saree in this video. Saree number 4, priced at 4299. People who would like to buy the saree, please take a screenshot and send it to the above number. People who stay in Hyderabad, we have a store in Kondapur, Sarath City Capital Mall on 3rd floor. Please do visit our store for a few more collections. To stay on top of our updates, please hit on to the subscribe button. We are AmeyaOnline on YouTube. You can also follow us on Facebook and Insta. We are AmeyaOnline. Thank you for watching the video. For any queries, just put up a message on the WhatsApp number. We'll be helping you. Thank you. Happy shopping.